What is up, guys? Today we'll be doing a WPF quick tutorial. Uh, yeah, I've shifted to Visual Studio Code, and I hope there is no problem. So let me create a new WPF project. As you can see, it is now open. Yeah, this is how XAML files are there, and I couldn't do this with Visual Studio Code. One of the reasons I've switched to Visual Studio. So yeah, and I don't like having this on the same lines. Let's create the title as drag move height to 1215. This is just something I like. It's all personal preference. Oh wait. Oh, uh, about 9. Mm, oh wait. Yeah, it's I inverted, so it's height is 960 and width is 1215. Then let's just keep the title as drag move. Yeah, so as you know, we can set it, we can move it along just like this without any problems. But then when we actually start you know uh changing the window style, so let's keep window startup location to center screen, and window style is equal to none, and I forgot one last is resize mode is equal to none, as no resize. And yeah, that's fine, but as soon as we do that, you can see that we won't be able to move the screen at all. And one way to fix that, what I'll be teaching today is, let's come into a grid. I'm just gonna add a button and image brush, and image source is equal to uh, a close button. I'll just uh, create a new folder. Okay, so as you can see, I've just created a new folder called images with a close button image, as you can see right there. And just for the images, let's come in here and give a new rule called allow transparencies true, because we wanted to show transparent images. Then we come to grid dot background. I'm just giving in a background since no, I don't like that white thing. So solid color brush, and yeah, you can basically give this any color you want. So I'm just gonna give it somewhat of a dark color, like mm, and oh yeah, yeah. So yeah, let's do that. And image source is equal to images slash close button dot png, and stretch we want it to be uniform to fill. Okay, let's just add a button dot background. Let's get this image brush in there. Yeah, looks way better, but then we will have to edit out the size of the button. So button width like 90 and height like 90, and we still haven't come to the part of the drag move. So something like that, and let's just see this. Oh yeah. And in case you get an error like this, you just come into the any image that you want, come to properties, then build action, change it to resource, and yeah, that's exactly what the error was. So okay, we can't see that. Let's reduce the height to something around 800 or 750, I'm not sure. Let's just start with 800. And alright, we are not able to move it, and we are not able to see it again. So let's come into our button. Yeah, let's see what the error is. Oh, I'm not sure why we are not able to see that, but let's just leave that for now since that's not the tutorial. Alright, let's come in here, create a text block without any content, and we can do click. Oh yeah, mouse down equal to, yeah, and it automatically generates this. Then now what you're gonna do is, if e dot left button, we are checking the state of the left button is pressed, that means they are holding it. So what you're gonna do is this dot drag move, and we can pretty much just move any object like that. So let's do that. Okay. Width is, we want it to be full, so 1215, and height, let it be like 20 or so. And let's remove the margin completely. Scroll in, let's increase the height to 50, and we can drag this to the top, to the extreme top. And if we do that, and if we move using this, you can see it moves. So this is what the tutorial is about, and let's just see why that's not coming up. Let's do that, and let's create a new button, and button dot background, and then image brush. We want the source of it to be images slash close button dot png, and stretch is equal to uniform to fill. Let's set the width to 90 and the height to 90. Oh wait, not of the image brush, it's of the button that we need to set. Width is 90, height is 90. Let's get that to the top right, and this is just a quick one. So it's just button underscore click. You can change the name, but I'm not doing that. So this dot close since we want it to close, and that's it. You can see that. Also, one more thing that we can do is reduce this, of course, because that's like too huge. And then this, let's see this, and we can do that. So it doesn't move if we hold down the button. And if we run this now, we can see that it moves when we do this, and we can close it using that. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.